You missed the Bitcoin rally in 2023. You missed out on buying Bitcoin mining stocks. Do not miss this one, guys. This is the altcoin bull run. Guys, a lot of you are scared of altcoins and cryptos. And of course, after 2021, everybody got exposed to crypto, but most people got chewed and spat back out. Now, you're in a position to buy at the lows. And yes, the market is currently, the altcoin market is actually at the lows. The only thing that's running is Bitcoin, and because it's basically nearing the halving in April, where supply is taken out of the Bitcoin circulation, okay? And basically what you're going to notice, after every halving, what you get is a minor pullback. A few months later, there's a bull market. And I'm matching this based on history in 2027 or 17 and 2020. This was the same case after the halving. Few months of steady sideways, and then the bull market begins. And this actually coincides perfectly with interest rate cuts, and that's where the money flow starts coming into the markets, because people start to have more money to spend on things. And most people want to spend it on investing because they want to make more money. So with that being said, I'm going to share with you guys 5 of the cryptos, personal altcoins that I'm holding personally, and I've shared this as well on the inside, and a lot of you have bought these as well. And some of these are profitable now. Some of you have started to see profits, but it's only the beginning because the bull market has not started yet. But before I tell you why you should buy each individual coin, I want you to understand something here. The psychology of a hodler in the crypto world, which is also a trader. As a trader, I know how other traders think. So I'm going to tell you how other traders think first. Look, what attracts money to a certain asset? And it's not an asset that can be used today in the real world, like that is required. It's just an alternative. Well, guys, first thing is use case. Can it be used in the future? Is it hot? Is it an emerging market? That's the first thing that attracts money into growth stocks in the first place, or emerging stocks, or something that's hot, an industry, AI and whatnot. Well, it's the same case for crypto. They're going for things that are going to be relevant, are going to attract a lot of money to, that basically will have a lot of money inflow. And it's a hedge against the original way of doing things. So the original way of doing things in the financial world is to stack your money in the bank. When there is risk in the world of a banking crisis, or the US dollar is weakened, you'll find money flows into Bitcoin, which is why Bitcoin started moving in October. It was because people started to hedge against the economy by piling money into Bitcoin. So the ball started rolling. And now look at Bitcoin. It's doubled in value since October, which is also the time I said buy Bitcoin and Bitcoin mining stocks. Crypto itself is the same. There will come a time where money flows into a specific asset or an altcoin because the original way of doing things is shaken. For example, what you have is decentralized finance. You've got DEX, decentralized exchanges, and data storage. You have coins that will just run for the sake of it. And I'm going to share with you these coins today. So the psychology of a trader is to buy things, number one, based on future feasibility, and number two, circulation. How many outstanding shares there is, or in this case, tokens. So these coins that I have, I believe, have a lot of potential. Now the first one is Litecoin. You guys know Litecoin is the silver to Bitcoin. It actually has more transactions in Litecoin than Bitcoin. Okay? And the supply is limited too. But you notice Litecoin, like any other quote-unquote currencies, has not actually moved like Bitcoin did. Well, that's because we're not in a bull market. The bull market will come eventually. Okay? And like I said, after the halving, we start to see signs of a bull market. Even though some coins have started moving, it's too early to say it's a bull market. And you really want to have the stars align, i.e. people start to have money to spend. People don't have as much money now, but they're starting to have that money slowly. As you cut interest, as the economy starts getting good, as jobs, basically everybody has a job, then signs of a bull market happen. Not just crypto, but also the stock market. Filecoin is a data storage coin. Okay, now if we look at the supply, that's the first thing I look at is supply. Now these might have a higher supply than what we think is required for that specific price tag that they're currently sitting at, but Filecoin has a good use case. It's actually being used today, and it just partnered up with Solana. Litecoin is just money storage. But then the next three, ALCX, SNX, and PERP. Well, ALCX is 2 million supply. In 2021, the highs of this coin was $11,000. Now you can't even see it on the chart because it was just a big wick that happened within a few days. Okay? And that's how fast things can move for a small circulation, basically a low supply token is within days. Synthetics, that's very good, right? That's actually useful, is to turn normal assets like stocks and commodities into tokenized assets. Okay, now that's very usable. That could be used. That actually can have a use case. This can be done as well. You know, as we evolve in this space, you'll find that, you know, some brokers want to bring stocks into their DEX or decentralized exchange instead of just crypto, and you're going to use synthetics. Also, low supply, I believe 350 million. PERP is 66 million, perpetual protocol. Okay, and look, I have price targets for these, but it doesn't mean this is the price target. The price target can be anything. This is crypto. If traders find that specific thing as something that's hot, they're going to take it wherever they want to take it. Now, it's up to you how fast you want to get out from a certain thing when you make profit. Some people have the balls to hang on and keep going, and some people just want to take whatever the market gives them and walk away. Both work. So if you're greedy, you hold on. If not, you walk away. But guys, right now, you can literally buy any altcoin and you'll probably still make 20% return. But when you're looking for something that's going to continuously grow, okay, even after a big pullback, it will hold value, then I think you should look into what I've shared with you here. And of course, there's other good projects, Solana, AVAX, which is Avalanche, you know, but the most important thing is your risk tolerance. If your risk tolerance is high, for example, you're going to go into things that can fluctuate by 100% in a day and go down by 100% the next day. But if your risk tolerance is not that high, well, you're going to go for something that moves maybe 20% up and then 20% down. But eventually in a bull market is just up, up, up. So really, guys, that's what I have is 5 coins, and that's all I'm holding, and I believe in this. And I believe if you diversify enough, do not go overboard with the diversification. Just try your best to accumulate over time, and I guess forget about it, right? Forget about these. This is just something that could potentially work out and make you a lot of money, but do not look at it like a swing trade. So that's all I want to share with you guys. Let me know what you're holding, and I'll see you guys next time, and I appreciate you for watching, and peace and love as always. Bye.